Did you know just a few small mistakes can destroy your credit score? A few smart habits can increase it much faster than you think. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build your credit score fast, step by step. Your credit score is one of the most important numbers in your financial life. It affects your ability to get loans, credit cards, and even big purchases. If your score is low, things become difficult. But the good news is, improving your credit score is completely possible. Let's break it down in the simplest way. What is a credit score? A credit score is a number that shows how trustworthy you are with money. It usually ranges between 300 and 900. The higher your score, the better your financial profile looks. A high score means you pay on time, you manage money well, and you are considered low risk. A low score usually means missed payments or too much debt. Payment history, most important. The most important factor is your payment history. This alone makes up the biggest part of your credit score. If you miss payments, your score drops immediately. So what should you do? Always pay your bills on time. Set reminders or turn on auto pay. Even one missed payment can damage your score badly, so never ignore this step. Credit utilization. The next important factor is credit utilization. This means how much of your credit limit you are using. For example, if your limit is 1,000, try not to use more than 300. The general rule is to stay below 30%, but if you can keep it around 10%, that's even better. This shows that you are not dependent on credit, and you manage it wisely. Credit history. Another key factor is your credit history. The longer your credit history, the better your score. So never close your old accounts, even if you don't use them much. Keep them active with small transactions. A longer history builds trust and improves your score over time. New applications. Here's a common mistake many people make. They apply for multiple credit cards or loans in a short time. Every application creates a small drop in your score, so avoid applying too often. Only apply when it's really necessary. Beginner strategy. If you are starting from zero, here's a simple plan. Get a secured or basic credit card. Use it for small everyday expenses, and always pay the full amount on time. These simple steps can start building your credit score very quickly. Smart trick. Here's a smart trick that many people don't know. If possible, become an authorized user on someone's account who has a good credit history. Their positive record can help boost your score faster. Common mistakes. Let's quickly go over some mistakes you should avoid. Missing payments. Using your full credit limit. Applying for too many cards. Closing old accounts. Avoid these, and your score will stay safe. Building a good credit score is not complicated. It just requires consistency and smart habits. Follow these steps, and you will see improvement over time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple finance tips.